And I always wanted to be an astronomer since I was really very young. Um, I told the story, my father died, I was very young. And my mother told me that my father went to live on Venus. So I spent hours in my garden. I had very good views of the sky by that time. I spent hours in my garden looking to the sky, and especially when we had the moon and Venus up there. And I was wondering if in Venus there was a girl like me looking at planet Earth and wondering if on Earth there was a girl like me. So I started looking at the sky at this age, and then when I was a bit older, I had my first physics class, and I said, "That's it. I want to be a physicist." And later, a bit later on my journey, I learned about black holes, and that was it. Doomed. So I started researching on black holes. I did a master's degree, and I started doing a PhD on that, and then I started working on public outreach and education, and I discovered that most of the people have no idea about astronomy. They don't have basic science literacy. So we decided to create a nonprofit association, Nucleo, that I work for, where we devote ourselves on training teachers, as many teachers in the world as we can. We are now in charge of a gigantic program called the Galileo Teacher Training Program, where we have teachers from all over the world joining hands. And the challenge is, how do we give equal opportunities? So cutting edge technology with amazing nature, respect for life all over the world in the same way. How we erase borders from these countries and erase difficulties and foster teachers really doing an amazing work. To me, teachers are the most important profession in the world. They shape the future of our planet. So if we can help them, give them support to create science literacy to the kids, perhaps we will build a different world. I had a normal trajectory for a Brazilian girl, and then I went to college in São Paulo. I've worked and studied at the same time, and only when I came to Europe, I live now in Portugal, I did my master's degree. I started to do a PhD on black hole observation, and I had to stop because of Nucleo and the Galileo Teacher Training Program. I had to decide where I was going to devote myself, but now I pick it up again and I'm doing a PhD on science education, because to me, I want to understand why is it so hard to have a good recipe to educate people. And I devour books. Nowadays I don't have that much time as I wished I had to read, but I loved reading, so I self-educated myself in many topics.